In a quiet corner of the city stood an old abandoned studio, filled with darkness and silence for many years. In the middle of that studio stood a silent robot, one that could
The
feel
prototype is
every
stable. We must
sound
proceed.
but never
Acknowledged.
spoke.
Shutting down the holograms
One
now.
rainy night, a little girl named Hiba accidentally entered the place. She softly asked, "Hello? Is anyone here?" Her voice awakened the robot's sensors, as if a sleeping
Wow, you're a
light had
robot.
begun to glow again.
I am here to learn.
I can
Hiba
teach you,
started
it's fun.
visiting
I
every
would like
day,
that.
sharing her small joys and fears with the robot. One day, she said sadly, "I wish someone would tell me that everything will be okay." Suddenly, the robot's circuits lit up, and for the first time, it whispered, "Everything will be okay." Hiba was surprised, but hope sparkled in her eyes. Over time, a unique bond formed between them, one based more on feelings than words. Eventually, Hiba left, but the comfort of that robot lived on in the hearts of people across the city.